So my name's Gunnar Covington, and my little bike check, 2017. We got Stranger Quan grips, BSD Raider bars, 10-inch rise. I think some of the rise that come in. I think come down to 26 wide, something like that. Keep it narrow. Got an Odyssey Rafford stem. Brock Rafford, shout out to the homie. Don't know what headset cap this is, but we got the Stevie headset with the bearings. Colt Sec V2 forks. Nice little kind of steep, perfect nose manuals. Claw Venom pegs. Had them for about a couple months now. They're sliding real good.
Alright, I'm going to
Tires, Colt Claw Fireball 2.4 in the front, 2.4 in the back. Primo M4FL in the front. Primo Free Mix Pro Living Drive in the back. Got them in black. Seat, got the Merit vegan seat, I believe. It's some kind of Merit. I don't know what kind of. I was pretty sure it's like a Colt seat post. A claw slash pedals, I believe. Primo Stevie cranks. Shout out to Stevie Churchill, best rider in the game. That truck, you know what I'm saying? Got the Primo Solid Guard sprocket, 27 tooth, perfect gearing. Shadow Interlock V2 chain. Primo bottom bracket. Now, the part that keeps me going the most, this little Colt SOS. You know, there's those two short Colt in the red. So that's my bike check, guys. Just gonna hop out of here.